Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Welcome to Islamic Economic Series. In this channel, I discuss topics and concepts in Islamic economics. Our discussion today is about understanding the relationships between worldview, ideology, and an economic system. Worldview can be defined as the way how we understand about our existence. Worldview in our mind searches for answers to basic fundamental questions about life and existence. Therefore, it is central in the discussion of worldview to understand the concepts of God, the concept of religion, the concept of man and his aim in life, the concept of the universe, and the concept of knowledge itself. With all these questions well answered by a certain worldview, then that understanding would shape an individual's ideology. Therefore, in Islamic economics, it is very common to find the comparison between the Islamic worldview and the secular worldview. The flow is such that from an Islamic worldview, then we have Islamic ideology, and then in the context of an economic system, it gives rise to the Islamic economic system. In contrast, in the case of a secular worldview, we can find examples such as Karl Marx with a secular worldview had the socialist communist ideology, and that gives rise to the command economic system or the socialist economic system. Likewise, the same in the case of Adam Smith. It starts from a secular worldview, then the liberal capitalist or market ideology, and then we have the capitalist economic system. I think that's all for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, give your thumbs up. See you next time. Wassalam. up. See you next time. Wassalam.